How to invite collaborators on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can invite collaborators on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To invite collaborators on Instagram, all you have to do is launch the Instagram application here. Then just tap the plus button from the bottom and then just make sure to select a certain photo or video. Once you've done that, tap the next option here. Then if there is, let's say, a certain type of collaboration that you might want to add over there, all you have to do is just tap on the tag people button. Then here you will find a button that says invite collaborators, so just tap the invite collaborator option. Just make sure to go ahead and then invite the collaborator that maybe you want to invite it to your post, and then you'll be able to invite them successfully. So all it takes to invite collaborators on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.